Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we got exciting news for all Motorola fans out there. Motorola has started inviting users to join their Android 16 beta program. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about joining the Motorola Android 16 beta program. Let's dive right into it. 1. What is the Motorola Android 16 beta program? The Motorola Android 16 beta program allows users to test out the upcoming Android version before its official release. It's a great opportunity to experience new features, provide feedback, and help improve the software before it goes public. 2. Eligibility requirements. Before you get started, let's talk about who can join the beta program. Typically, Motorola selects users based on certain criteria, such as device compatibility and user activity. Make sure your device is eligible for the Android 16 update. 3. Steps to join the Motorola Android 16 beta program. Step 1. Check eligibility. First, ensure that your Motorola device is eligible for the Android 16 beta update. You can usually find this information on Motorola's official website or through the Motorola community forums. Step 2. Sign up for the beta program. Visit the Motorola beta program sign-up page. Here, you'll need to provide your device details, Motorola account information, and agree to the terms and conditions of the beta testing. Step 3. Receive invitation. If selected, you'll receive an invitation from Motorola via email or through the Motorola Members app on your device. This invitation will include instructions on how to download and install the beta software. Step 4. Install the beta software. Follow the instructions provided in the invitation to download and install the Android 16 beta software on your device. Remember, beta software may contain bugs, so it's recommended to back up your data before proceeding. 4. Benefits of joining the beta program. Participating in the Motorola Android 16 beta program allows you to explore new features before anyone else. You can also contribute feedback to Motorola, helping them refine the software for the official release. 5. Inclusion. That wraps up our guide on how to join the Motorola Android 16 beta program. If you're eager to try out the latest Android updates and contribute to their development, don't miss out on this opportunity. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials on our channel.